Chapter 5, number 22. So you're supposed to use Excel student grades. That's the file we're on. And so you're supposed to test the hypothesis of the variance. That is just a t-test. So let me show you how to do this. I got some crazy answers from some of you guys. Half of you guys ran a regression. I can't understand why you would do that. But let me show you how it's supposed to be done. Data analysis. Going to do a t-test, and we always assume equal variance first. We're going to go ahead and fix these rows here. So the first column is midterm. Highlight midterm all the way down. Beep. Second column is final exam. Beep. Okay, and I'm going to put this out right. I'll put this on E5 this time. Click OK. So there's the variances right there. And again, they just want to see if there's a significant difference. We don't know if it's greater than or less than, so that makes it a two-tailed test. So there was no significant difference between the grades. But now some of you guys ran this as an ANOVA, which you could have. Let me clean this up. So if you didn't know, an ANOVA with only 2 groups, you're supposed to have 3 groups to run an ANOVA, 3 or more. An ANOVA with 2 groups is what we call a t-test. It's the exact same thing. So, but let me just show you. We're going to go to data analysis. We'll go to the ANOVA, single factor, and let's just highlight. You just highlight both columns at once. And I want it, yeah, right there. It's fine with me. Bam. And there it is. Let me pull it over so we can see this a little bit. But you get the same thing. You get a p-value that is greater than 0.05. And you look at the variances, 126, 164. Again, they're not exactly the same, but they're close enough. They're not going to violate the assumption of the variances being... So the variances are not the same, but they're close enough to be considered homogeneity-ish. I can't even pronounce the word. So when they're not, the variances aren't the same. It's called heterogeneity. There it is. So that's what's going on here. So you would not reject the null. The grades were not significantly different from each other. So I'm going to go ahead and send week 2 and week 3 homework answers, plus the videos for week 3. I need you guys to start practicing this stuff. Okay, that's it. MGZ out.